Good afternoon. Chapter 7 Integrals. Topic Indefinite Integral. Exercise 7.1. Question number 11. The question is integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square into dx. Okay. So first to separate all the terms, that is x cube by x square, x cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square dx. Okay, so x cube by x square is x. So integration of x dx plus integration of 5
integration of
5 dx minus 4 into integration of dx by x square. Okay, now x integration is x square by 2. X square by 2 plus dx integration x, that means 5x
5
minus 4 into 1 by x square means x to the power minus 2. So x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus,
divided by 1.
okay, plus c, integration constant. Now equal to x square by 2 plus 5x minus 4 into x to the power minus 1
divided by minus 1.
minus 1 plus c equal to x square by 2 plus
5x minus 4 by x plus 2.
plus x to the power minus 1 means 1
4
by
by
x,
x.
4 by x plus c. Okay, okay, this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 13. Integration of x cube minus x square, x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. This divided by x minus 1. Dx. Okay, first to simplify this, integration of, so x cube minus x square is common, x square common, x minus 1 plus 1 common, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx equal to integration of x minus 1 common into x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx. Okay, So x minus 1 cancel, equal to x square plus 1 dx. Equal to x square dx plus 1 into dx, that means dx. So x square integration is x cube by 3, okay, plus dx plus c, integration constant. Because of indefinite integral, you have to write plus c, integration constant, okay. This is the answer. Okay, it is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question number 18. Sec x into sec x plus tan x. Sec x plus tan x dx equal to multiply sec square x
Plus sec x tan x dx.
sec square x dx plus sec x tan x dx. Okay, so sec square x integration, sec square x formula tan x, sec square x dx is tan x, okay,
Yes, sir.
and sec x tan x integration is sec x only, so plus sec x plus c, okay. This is the answer, tan x plus sec x plus c.
Okay, sir.
19. Integration of sec square x divided by cos x square x dx. Sec square x by cos x square x dx. Okay, first you simplify this. Sec square x means 1 by
1 by cos square x.
1 by cos square x, and cos x square x means
1 by sin square x.
1 by sin square x dx, okay, equal to integration of
Tan x dx.
x by cos square x dx equal to tan square x, okay. Now tan square x integration is tan square x formula, you know, any formula is there. Tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Tan square x, no integration formula is there. Okay, so you have to use this formula. Tan square x means sec square x minus 1 dx. So sec square x dx minus dx. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so sec square x integration is tan x.
Tan x plus x plus 2. No, tan x minus x plus 2.
Integration of 2 minus 3 sin x. 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. Two minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. Okay. So 2y cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x. Dx. Now 1 by cos square x means sec square x. So 2 sec square x dx minus 3 and sin by cos tan and 1 by cos sec. So sec x into tan x dx. Okay. And sec square x integration is tan x. So 2 tan x minus 3 sec x tan x is sec x. 3 sec x plus c, integration constant. Okay, it is clear? Hello? Okay? It is clear? Hello? Next. Number 21. Okay?
Okay, sir.
21 number is the antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x. Okay, 4 options are there. So, antiderivative means its integration. So, integration of root x plus 1 by root x plus 1 by root x dx. Okay. So root x means x to the power half. X to the power half dx plus 1 by root x means 1 by x to the power half. That means x to the power minus half. X to the power minus half dx equal to, so integration of this x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. Okay, plus c, integration constant, equal to, so half plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, that means 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2, and 1 minus half means half. So x to the power half by half, that is 2 x to the power half plus c. Okay. So which option is correct? 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2x to the power half plus c. Okay. So answer is option C. C option is correct. Okay, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now next exercise 7.2 integration by substitution. This exercise 7.2. First question, see number 1. 2x by integrate the function, that is integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, this is the question. Integrate this 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, so we have to simplify. To simplify, that means by substitution we can simplify this, then use the formula. Okay, so how to simplify? See, let 1 plus x square equal to t. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. So 1 derivative is 0. Okay, and x square derivative 2x
2x.
equal to dt by dx with respect to x. Okay, then 2x dx cross multiply 2x dx equal to dt. Okay, we are taking 1 plus x
Yes,
equal
sir.
to t because its derivative is numerator. Its one derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x, and 2x it is given in the numerator. So take 1 plus x square equal to t. Now put the value 2x dx equal to dt. So 2x dx equal to dt, and 1 plus x square equal to t. Okay, now what is the formula? dt by t integration
Log t, log mod of t.
log mod of t plus c, integration constant. Now t means 1 plus x square plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Till now it is clear? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
next see question number 2. Integration of log x whole square divided by x dx. Okay, so what to substitute here? Tell, any idea?
So log x whole square.
Only log x you take. Log x equal to t. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let log x equal to t. So log x derivative 1 by
1
x
by x.
dt by dx equal to dx by
dx by x is equal to dt.
dt. Okay, so this becomes log x square, that will be t square by, and dx by x is, so t square into dt.
dt.
Here no number is 1, so dt, so equal to t square dt, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So t square derivative integration, what? T 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. T cube by 3 plus c. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And t means log x. So 1 by 3 log x whole cube plus c. Okay. Tell, any question? Yes?
No, sir. No questions, sir.
Number 3, integration of dx x plus x log x. Okay. So this you can write dx by x common 1 plus log x. Okay. Now what to substitute here? Let hello.
1 plus log x.
1 plus log x equal to t. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because log x derivative is 1 by x, it is present in the question 1 by x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x equal to dt by dx. So this means dx by x equal to dt. Okay. Now integration of, so it is dx by x is dt. So dt by t,
Yes, sir.
dt by t, and dt by t means integration of this
Log of mod of t.
mod t plus c, and t means 1 plus log x equal to log of 1 plus log x
Log x plus c.
plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Next, number 4. Integration of sin x into sin cos x dx. Okay. Now, so let cos x equal to t, because the derivative of cos sin x minus sin x, it is given question. Okay. So it is minus sin x equal to dt by dx with respect to x. So sin x dx equal to minus dt. So this equal to sin x dx equal to minus dt, minus you write at first, and cos x equal to t, so sin t. sin t dt. Okay, see, clear? And sine integration is, what is the sine integration?
Minus cos.
So it is minus
Minus sign, so it will be plus cos.
cos
T.
t plus c. Okay, so minus minus plus cos t plus c, and t means
Cos x.
is cos x
Cos x plus c.
plus c. Okay, cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
5. Integration of sin ax plus b cos ax plus b. Cos ax plus b into dx. Okay, so sin x plus b cos x plus b. So take on 2 into 2, then you can use the formula 2 sin a cos a. Okay, so we can write half
Okay,
into
sir.
half into 2. We can write 2 sin ax plus b into cos x plus b dx. So this equal to half into, so sin 2 theta, 2 sin a cos a, that means sin
2 into ax plus b.
x plus b dx. Okay, so this equal to half into
Minus cos 2 into ax plus b plus 2.
multiply this sin 2ax plus 2b. Okay, so take 2ax plus 2b equal to t. Okay, or directly also you can write, you can do directly half. What is the sign formula? Integration
Minus cos x.
minus cos. Okay, so half into minus cos 2ax plus 2b. Okay, and what is the derivative of 2ax plus 2b? That is
2x.
2a. 2a, no?
Yes, sir.
X derivative 1 and 2b derivative 0. So in case of integration, divided by 2a, and in case of derivative, multiply by 2a. This is the difference. Okay,
Okay, sir.
plus c. Now equal to minus 2 into 2, 4. So minus 1 by 4a. 4a cos
2ax plus 2b.
b plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Next, number 6. Integration of under root ax plus b, ax plus b dx. Okay, so let ax plus b equal to t. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
differentiate both sides with respect to x. So a into 1 plus 0 equal to dt by dx. Okay, so this means a dx
A is equal to dt by dx.
and dx equal to dt by a. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
given integration becomes ax plus b means t, so root t, root means half power, so t to the power half. Okay, and dx equal to dt by a. A is constant, right outside of the integration sign, 1 by a. Okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
And t to the power half integration is 1 by
T to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2.
half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. Okay, when you done the integration, that time only write plus c. So this equal to 1 by a half plus 1 3 by 2, that means 2 by 3 into t to the power 3 by 2 plus c, so equal to 2 by 3a.
2 by 3a plus t to the into t to the power 3 by 2 plus c.
And t means ax plus b.
Ax plus b.
Ax plus b power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay,
Yes, sir.
2 by 3a x plus b 3 by 2 plus c. Okay,
Yes, sir.
here say any question?
No, sir.
Okay, practice this all and example practice, NCERT all, and RSFL example also practice, only example. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.